It's back, rope and racing. All in front is second by Rain of Roses. Daddy's Girl moving up on the outside to take the leader. It's now Daddy's Girl leading the pack, followed by top of the line, running in third, Rain of Roses. Moving up now, Macari Haven around the outside, Showman. Then followed by Jokes Only, Don Ramon. And going along for the first turn is Daddy's Girl, leading by some 2 lengths. Top of the line is right behind in second, running in third, Macari Haven. Around the outside now is Showman. And into the back they travel. It is still Daddy's Girl, leads by some 2 over top of the line. Here comes Showman now for the outside, Macari Haven, Rain of Roses, Jokes Only, Latin Cut. Runway 06 beat the hit, Don Ramon and Sea of Galilee. Inside the last 600, Daddy's Girl still in front by half a length, being chased by Showman. And running in third, Rain of Roses, moving up now the outside is beat the hit. And inside the last 250, it's now Showman, a long shot from the outside. Daddy's Girl beat the hit, top of the line. Sea of Galilee, and there was his field, Don Ramon, the rider, F.F. Reyes, losing his mount. It's now Showman leading by some 5 over beat the hit, and finally Showman beat the hit, top of the line. Close Jokes Only, Daddy's Girl.
Ito kom nangangamoy. Pentapekta, quartet.
Lahat yan.
Dahil Jokes Only, pumasok din. Showman.
May insidente tayo, no? Nakita natin na unseat si...
Mali yung quarters
mali yung quarter
na yan.
times.
Oo, 1,500 yan eh. Paki-recheck nyo nga kay Jengos yan.
James.
Oo, palagi ko mali yan dahil